Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be going over the Annual Preventative Maintenance Kit for the 2540EA. This kit comes with a door gasket. The door gasket is in the annual, however, if you are doing repetitive cycles or back-to-back, this might need to be changed more frequently. It comes with a single Chamber Bright pack. Chamber Bright should be being used on a weekly basis. This helps keep the reservoir, the chamber, and the valves clean. A new HEPA filter. This filters the air going into the chamber during your drying cycle. New valve stems as well as plungers. A safety release valve, which is located in the reservoir, as well as the air jet valve, which is also in the reservoir. This kit comes with a preventative maintenance guide, which gives you instructions on how to change all this. If you have any issues, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.